Hello, a very warm welcome to Inspire London College. To inspire you and help you understand the online college experience, we have put together this tutorial video to help you navigate the website and information regarding our courses. Search Inspire London College on your internet browser, click on the link to our website. After being prompted to our website, you will find all details of our courses. Scroll down to bottom, click on About Us to know about the aim, mission and history of Inspire London College. Inspire London College is the UK's leading specialist provider of distance learning professional and vocational courses. It is a distinguished global distance learning institute dedicated to provide online endorsed courses in UK and all around world. In November 2016, Inspire London College has decided to launch online courses with a mission statement of Inspire the Generation Through Education. Inspire London College is one of the dedicated training and further education institute in West London. Inspire London College has launched the medical training with the name of Inspire Medical by end of July 2018 with an experienced team of educationalists, vocational trainers, and medical professionals. Aim of Inspire London College is to be recognised as UK's most valuable and trusted distance learning institute. We are committed to achieve some milestones which are: equip the students with essential skills and professional knowledge to enhance their employability skills. Educate the students from third world countries. We are aiming to become the UK's leading enterprising community. Inspire London College offers a variety of courses, endorsed by Step Ahead CPD qualifications, in different subject areas like accounting, language, administrative, beauty therapy, business management, customer services, and many more. Inspire London College also specialises in phlebotomy courses which are classroom-based in UK. We also offer Ofqual regulated courses, in business management, health and safety, health and social care, private industry security, education and training, which are accredited by Qualify Limited. Inspire London College also offers video-based trainings for continued professional development. After being enrolled, you can access your course contents through our VLE, Moodle. For further queries, you can contact our student support team through email, phone, or visit us at our office. I hope this tutorial has resolved all your concerns related to ILC website. Thank you.